You are welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, the crown princess of the edible fungi kingdom, Akentina Evelyn, and we are in the rainy season and most people are growing or developing their garden without considering what is compactable and what is not compactable to grow in their garden. So today we are going to learn about the type of vegetables you can plant together in your garden. So when planning your vegetable garden, it is important to consider companion planting and avoid certain combination that may have negative effects on the plant group or attract pests. So here are some of the vegetables that we should not plant together. So one is potato and tomatoes. Potato are easily attacked by the blight disease, and planting them near tomatoes can increase the risk of spreading the disease between the two crops. So tomatoes easily get attacked by this disease, and also potato easily get attacked by this disease. So planting them together, then boom, the disease will take over your farm because it can easily transfer from one crop to the other. That is the blight. The second crop is cucumber and potato, right? So cucumber and potato are both prone to delete blights and can infect each other if planted very close to each other. Therefore, you don't have to plant cucumber and potato close together because of the disease, just as the tomatoes and potato. And the third crop is beans and onion or garlic. So beans and onion or garlic can inhibit each other's growth when planted together. Onion and garlic can also repair bean specks, but they may stunt the growth of the beans. Okay, so when you plant onion or garlic, they help to repair insects from your farm, but when you plant it closer to beans, it makes the beans stagnant in growth, so you will not get yield from your beans. So avoid planting beans with onion or garlic together in your garden very close to each other. Avoid that. And we have the Brassica family and then the strawberry. So Brassicas such as cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower, they all emit natural compound that can suppress the growth of strawberry if they are planted together. So they have this chemical that they release when it's closer to strawberry, and it's make the growth of the strawberry stagnant. It inhibits its growth. So the strawberry, you end up having low or no yield from it. And the next crop is carrot and dill or fennel. So carrot and dill should not be kept apart since they can cross-pollinate, resulting in touch and then better carrot. Okay, so when you plant these two crops together, the dill and the carrot, they can cross-pollinate. So when the seeds from the dill is cross-pollinated with the carrot, then you end up having your carrot being better. So avoid planting your carrot with dill or fennel. And the next one is onion, garlic, leek should be avoid planting with beans. So this onion, garlic, and leek, usually they can also stunt the growth of the beans, and if planted so closely together, so you have to avoid it. And then we have corn and tomatoes here. So you can plant maize and then tomatoes together. So with maize, you can plant it with beans, right? But with tomatoes, it's kind of both are heavy feeders, okay? So they both consume a lot of nutrients from the soil. So meaning if you plant them together, there will be competition of nutrients from the soil. So planting them together can result in competition of resources, that is the nutrients, the water, and then this can inhibit the growth of those two crops. So you see that at the end, you are not getting anything from the maize or the tomatoes either. So avoid planting this heavy two feeders crop together. So today we have learned that some crops combination can serve as easily distribution of pests and diseases on your farm, and also some crop combination can also affect the yield, making one stagnant growth, and also some combination helps to repair diseases. So avoid this combination of planting of crops to get a better yield when planting your garden. So the crops you should avoid planting very close together in your garden is potato and tomatoes, cucumber and potato, beans and onion or garlic, Brassica family, that is the cabbage, the broccoli and the cauliflower with strawberry, and also onion and dill, also onion, garlic, leek with beans, and also corn and tomatoes, which are heavy feeders and will lead to competition of nutrients of the plant. So with this general knowledge based on your location, you can find a gardener there, an expert, and then also take advice whilst you are starting your garden at home or you are growing in commercial basis. So where different crops are grown together for beneficial purpose, you can also identify that crops that can grow together for beneficial purpose, like the maize and the beans, and also consult a local gardener guide or experienced gardener in your area who can help provide further insight into the suitable vegetables combination for your specific location. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have learned a lot. If you have questions, feel free to drop it at the comment section. If you have suggestion, recommendation, addition, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And hit on the subscription button to join the lovely team. It's the Premium Agri Hub. Everything about mushroom, vegetables, farming, mechanization, food processing, value addition. We bring to you all the knowledge you need in agriculture. Stay tuned.